Today's self-tip number 12 is the ears have it. And they sure do. It's almost like there's a little reset button in there that you can press to begin to move back into the relaxed, calm, parasympathetic nervous system. Now, the reason for this is that there are some pressure points in the ears. And I just want to say straight up that if you have some health conditions, just consult with your doctor with anything new that you bring in to your world. That's with anything that I'm teaching you here. So I just want to make sure to say that. These little tiny massages within the ear, you can find all kinds of information on the internet about it. It's called auricular ear release. And the reason it works is that there are some pressure points in the ears that activate the vagus nerve. Now, the vagus nerve is responsible for resetting our nervous system, moving us out of that stressed state and into the more relaxed state. So it's from the sympathetic to the parasympathetic. Parasympathetic being the rest, restore, and digest nervous system. So this is so good. So here we go. I'm going to show you those pressure points, and there'll be a slide at the end so you can see them exactly where they are. There's 2 points that I want to show you. One is the actual ear canal. So if you were to take your thumb and as if you were to put your thumb inside, but you can't because it's too big, you're going to find the canal. You're going to begin to really start to massage the canal all the way around. And you can do it slowly. You don't need a ton of pressure. So that's one spot. And then above the canal, you can use your index finger and actually get into that little spot there and start to massage in like these little circular motions. And you can do it on both sides. And as I start to do this, I first initially pull the ears a little bit and kind of, just get them, release them a little bit away from the skull. And I might also massage behind the ears a little bit, getting what they would say is a myofascial release. So this is a great way to begin. And then start to massage those points. Again, in the ear canal, and then above the ear canal in that little space in between. There'll be a slide at the end. This is powerful. This is really a wonderful reset when you're feeling stressed or anxious. Just stop and take a few breaths and start to massage your ears. And you'll notice. So just notice, it might be subtle, but might be really big. Like my stomach starts to gurgle a little bit. So I know that I'm going into that. I've been training my body for a while. So that's your tip for today, the auricular ear release. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow.